Harvard researchers create ant-like robot swarm. The future of collaboration? One ant is not very smart, but if you put them together, they can achieve wonderful results. An experiment: an ant colony works according to an algorithm. Individual ants don't think specifically about a task, but they follow a set of instinctive rules that guide them to complex engineering feats like digging networks of tunnels or building bridges. Over time, the team found that the ants stopped digging alone and instead began to cluster together to work more efficiently in the same tunnel until they managed to break out. Based on the observations, the researchers built mathematical models of what is happening. The method could be vital to creating swarms of simple robots that can complete complex tasks by working together. An added bonus: even if a few robots fail, the swarm as a whole will still be able to do its job. As with any new technology, the development and deployment of autonomous robots like the RAnts will raise a number of ethical and social concerns. It will be important to establish clear guidelines and frameworks for the development and deployment of these technologies in order to ensure that they are used in a responsible and beneficial manner. One potential application of such technologies could be the development of autonomous robots that are able to carry out complex tasks and make decisions on their own, potentially allowing them to be used in a wide range of settings, including search and rescue, environmental monitoring, and military reconnaissance. It is also possible that robots like the RAnts could be used in other areas, such as manufacturing, transportation, or healthcare.